Okay guys, welcome back. This is ABJ, and in this tutorial video 3 we are going to be looking at the differences between save and save as in Excel and how can you use them. So for this tutorial we'll demonstrate using one of the template created in Excel just for us to know the purpose or the differences between save and save as in MS Excel. So let's open up our Excel file. We can open out our Excel file. So I'm just going to type Excel. And then for this tutorial, we just use this template that is already created called blood pressure tracker. You can use any other template if you want to, but then click on blood pressure tracker. So this document was opened up for the very first time, assuming we the one added all these things. Now, whenever you use save, do not want to change the file format or the file extension of this Excel document. But when you use save as, it means that you want to change the file type or the file extension of this program. Now, if we go to File and click Save, now we need to choose the location of where we want to save our file. So we'll just use our browse. And then I created a folder already called Save and Save As just to see the differences between them. Now we just leave it with the same name. So whenever you use save, it means that you do not want to change the file type. As you can see, the default file type is Excel workbook. So let's give it a try. We'll click save. Now remember we created a folder in document called save and save as. So we locate that folder, document, save and save as. So as you can see, when we use save, we save the document with the default file extension, which is the Excel. Now, if we come back and make any changes, like 45, we add 45 and change this to 70. Now, if we click on save, it means that we only want to update the current changes that were made to that previously saved file. So if we take save, it's just going to update the current changes because the file was already saved before. Now, we are going to use the same document or this same spreadsheet and change the file extension of this particular Excel workbook, which of course now we are going to change the file type of save as. So if we come to file, go to save or save as, browse. As you can see, we already have the blood pressure tracker. When we're doing our first saving, we did not change the file type. So when you take save as and drop the arrow, the drop down arrow, it means that I want to change the file type of this document. So if we take PDF, which is the most protected file document or the file type on the internet, it means that we cannot make changes to this document. So let's look at our, as you can see, we only have this. So if we change the extension to PDF, which of course the name still remain blood pressure tracker 1, and take save. Now go back to our file, our folder, and open it. Find out we have two different file extensions. Remember, this same blood pressure tracker was created in Excel, but the file extension save as was changed to PDF. So now the document become a portable document format that cannot be edited. Now you can also use this save as and save this document as a web page, which of course save as, browse. Now if we save this to web page, it means this document will be converted from Excel file to a web document, which of course will open on the internet or the internet browser. Now we'll give it save and hit yes. Now if we come back to our save as folder, as you can see, we have three file types in here: Excel file, PDF file, and a web page file. If we execute this file, open this file, definitely it's going to open on the internet. As you can see, it open with a web browser and it cannot be edited, you cannot make any changes here. So whenever you use save as, it means you want to change the file type or the file extension of that particular program. But whenever you use save, it will take the default file extension of the program. So guys, this is how you know the difference or how you use save and save as in Excel. So if you have any other comment, you can leave it in the comment section below. If there is any other thing you did not understand, you can also leave the comment in the section below. And then I'll see you on our next video, where we'll be talking about portable document format, PDF, and everything that you need to know about it. So thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next video.